gentlemen, welcome back to Crow Island Farms at Home. My name is Chef Dennis, and today I'll be showing you how to make pasta from scratch. Before we get started, I'd like to give a little shout out to Hunt Harvest Health. Please check them out. They'll show you all the wellness and benefits of eating wild game, farm to table, and scratch cooking. So let's get into the kitchen and let's make some pasta from scratch. Alright folks, so we're going to make a semolina pasta today. We got 5 ingredients, it's super easy, it only takes about 20 minutes at home. I'm going to start out with 3 large eggs, 1.5 cups of double lot flour, that's 00 fine flour, 1/2 cup of semolina, a little bit of sea or rock salt, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and then we got about 1 cup to 2 cups of APF all-purpose flour, and that's just using for our table and everything. Double lot flour, our semolina, few cracks of salt, makes all the dry ingredients really good. Your olive oil, just lit her in. And we're just gonna beat it and fold it in, mixing everything into the center. And that is our nice fresh pasta. So after we let our pasta rest for about 30 minutes, I cut it in half, and what we did was we rolled it out. I folded it to get a nice shape to go into the pasta roller. We're going to start out the highest setting, get a nice flour coating, and we're going to run it twice on each setting all the way down to 9, and then we can cut our pasta after that. I'm going to take the rest of this pasta, I'm going to wrap it up, put it in my freezer. It'll last good for about 2 months in this state, and then we can pull it out, let it thaw, and then roll it out whenever we need it. Alright, we got our pasta rolled out. We're going to keep it well floured. We're going to trim it down. I'm going to show you 2 different ways to store it. If you have a pasta rack, you can hang it to dry it, or you can get a sheet pan, put some nice flour in there, and then when we cut it, we'll make little nests on here. That way you can keep it in your fridge, or you can IQF freeze it, and then we can store it in vacuum packs. But I like to do, don't necessarily have to, I just trim it off and do about a knife length. So now we got 3 nice pasta sheets, stack them up. And we can cut pappardelle, we can cut fettuccine, we can do anything we want. I'm going to take a little bit of flour so it doesn't stick, roll it up nice. You can do ravioli, you can do anything you want with this. Alright, let's get this stuff cut and then we'll store it. Alright, we're going to cut the fettuccine so a little bit wider for these guys. I'm going to dredge it in my flour. Nice pasta. So, take all these guys so they don't stick together. Roll them. Oh, some beautiful pasta. Handy little drying rack, nice and even, so the liquid from any of the residual egg doesn't get back into each piece. And then some of this fettuccine, and do semolina or flour. Then we just want to make a nice little nest. Set it up, set it right there, and there we go. So we're going to take our pasta, shake off a little bit of the extra flour if we can. We're going to drop it in some boiling water with a little bit of oil and salt. It's going to take about 3 minutes to cook. You want to make sure that you open your pasta up so it doesn't all cook together. Drop it in there. Give it a little stir so it doesn't stick, and it only takes about 3 minutes. In the meantime, I got a pan heating up right here. We're going to put a little bit of oil in it. Nice extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of butter. We're just going to do some nice simplified pasta. So our pasta's right about there. We got our oil and our butter heated up. About 3 minutes, you can feel it, so that way it's not all like sticky and spongy. It's nice and firm to the touch, but still has a nice little chewy texture to it. Pasta right there. A little bit of salt. Nice cracked pepper, fresh parsley in it. Nice and toasted. About 30 seconds. Yeah, look how beautiful that is. And then we're gonna go straight to our bowl. And that is some homemade pasta. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen tonight. We got some fresh pasta here. You can put it in all your dishes, your spaghettis, your fettuccinis. You can make lasagna, you can make ravioli. Now that we got this in our freezer and in our fridge, we got a vacuum pack for all the extra stuff. I'll be showing you how to make dishes from this. Once again, thanks for joining me, and bon appetit, ladies and gentlemen.